Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more steno legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. On 11/7/2011, the petitioner was conveyed the impugned memorandum annexure P11 close informing him that after considering his representation dated 14/12/2007 for stepping up of his pay with Saurav Sharma since retired as Special Secretary close, Honorable the Acting Chief Justice and the judges have been pleased to decline the request being not covered under the policy framed by this court in the matter and also being not fulfilling the requirements of pay stepping up instructions issued by the government of Punjab full stop since the order was non-speaking the petitioner made a written request to the registrar general of this court to the effect that the speaking order passed was not communicated to him while declining his request full stop. He prayed that the same may be supplied to him since there was direction of the court in CWP number 18545 of 2010 that the petitioner's representation would be decided by passing a speaking order while taking into consideration the judgment passed in LPA number 1781 of 2010 titled Punjab and Haryana High Court versus Rajan Nanda and others on 16/5/2011 full stop. The reasons were supplied wide memo dated 13 to 2012 bracket annexure P13 bracket close full stop. I am afraid to say that there is no meaningful discussion on the cases of Rajan Nanda, Krishna Goyal, Chajju Ram Hans and Paramjit Singh cases, all of which have attained finality and unambiguously decide the issue in favor of persons like the petitioner. Full stop. All that the memo dated 13 to 2012 notices and deals with is the Rajan Nanda case. Full stop. I hesitate to say there is want of applying the ratio of these four cases in the report of the committee drawing up the criteria on the issue involved except in noticing those cases but not dealing with them as one would take the bull by the horns, and to that extent the impugned memo dated 13 to 2012 bracket annexure P13 bracket close is non-speaking in character, while the impugned order dated 11/7/2011 bracket annexure P11 bracket close conveyed to the petitioner suffers from the same shortcoming, admitting of further interpretation, and that is the salient purpose of rendering this judgment and order full stop. All that the order dated 11/7/2011 and the memo dated 13 to 2012 contain is that the petitioner's case for stepping up his pay is not covered by the policy framed by the court, and he does not fulfill the requirements of instructions issued by the government of Punjab full stop. it is submitted that a division bench of this court in DK Monga versus State of Punjab and another 2013 full stop and over. So ये हमारी एग्जैक्ट 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट फॉर मोर स्टेनो डिक्टेशंस. थैंक्स टू ऑल. बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर.